Presenting a pre-owned 2010 Mini Cooper. This two-door hatchback has a four-cylinder, 1.6-liter i4 engine with front-wheel drive and a six-speed manual transmission. This Mini has less than 86,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 25 miles per gallon in the city and 33 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Ask to see the free Auto Check Vehicle History Report. Key features include auxiliary audio input, satellite radio, speed-sensitive volume control, power windows, window defogger, air filtration, front air conditioning, cruise control, power steering, external temperature display, airbags, anti-lock brakes, braking assist, child seat anchors, seatbelt force limiters, power door locks, stability control, and traction control.